County. Meteorologist Jeremy Luan joins us in the backyard where there aren't any flower shows tonight, just lots of weather. Jeremy.
Yeah, we had quite the day of active weather today with the snow squalls that rolled through the region. It went from, clear skies with sunshine to white out, blinding snow in the matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So I got a video that came in from one of our viewers. Take a listen to how strong the winds are. You hear how the wind chimes were just blowing? Sounds like a freight train rolling through. Look at the snowflakes and how quickly they accumulated. Some of these snow squalls only lasted 10 minutes and dropped a ½ inch in 10 minutes. I mean, that's how potent they were. Great video, Andrea. Thank you for sending this one in from Dallas Township. And you got some beautiful wind chimes. Very calming, despite the weather that was outside. Here's what it looked like on radar. Take a look at those snow showers and squalls that just ripped through the region between noon and 6 p.m. Those snow showers coming directly off the Great Lakes, and cold air in place allowed for that snow to accumulate pretty quickly. Now most of it's gone here in our backyard, but some spots in northern Wayne County have been seeing several hours straight of snow showers. Finally, those flurries starting to dwindle near Storruca and Pleasant Mountain. Here's the bigger picture. We've got some snow showers right now to the north and east of us in the Hudson Valley, but it's pretty much done at this point for us here in Pennsylvania. That's the good news. We got a little bit of a warm up headed into midweek, but then temperatures drop in the second part of the week, and we could see some snow. Right now, we've got clearing skies over Williamsport, more breaks in the clouds, and here's a live view from Hawley. Notice how the snow has accumulated there on the sides of the streets and on the sidewalks. Hawley, one of the places that got several rounds of these snow showers for a long period of time. So accumulations in parts of northern Wayne County approaching 2 inches from these snow showers. Of course, we're all noticing those winds. The snow squalls brought them in, and the winds have been gusty ever since. We have a sustained wind right now out of the northwest at 16 miles per hour, making the 28 on the thermometer feel like just 16 degrees here in Scranton. Temperature is a little bit misleading as far as highs. This happened right around sunrise, and temperatures have been dropping ever since. We got up to 39 this morning, 40 in Williamsport. So technically in the books, this will go down as an above average day, despite temperatures dropping throughout most of the day and now into the 20s and low 30s in the Susquehanna Valley. Right now, the Poconos in the low 20s, but it feels more like the single digits with those added winds. Temperatures are down compared to 24 hours ago, anywhere from 5 to 12 degrees. And of course, the winds gusting up to 56 miles per hour. That's new at 11 o'clock here in Mount Pocono. 44 mile per hour wind gusts for Scranton, and wind sustained still over 10 miles per hour for everyone except for Selinsgrove, which has a sustained wind at 9. Look at Mount Pocono's sustained wind. 28 miles per hour. As such, there is a wind advisory in effect for both Carbon and Monroe counties, where those winds could exceed 50 miles per hour until 4 a.m. That's when the wind advisory expires. There's future wind gusts, 20, 30, 40, 50 mile per hour gusts until morning time. Then throughout tomorrow afternoon, gusts 25 to 35, and we finally quell the winds by the time we get into the evening hours tomorrow. Tomorrow will also bring us more sunshine and no risk of snow squalls at all. I'd call it mostly sunny throughout the early and late morning, but by the time we get into the afternoon, could be a more persistent cloud deck over parts of our northern tier. And as we head into Tuesday, we get increasing cloud cover and the chance for showers. Now, it starts as showers. Temperatures will be warm enough to support showers. But as this low pressure system drags in colder air, there is a mix that starts to work in on Wednesday from this low pressure system. And as if that's not bad enough, take a look at what happens off the coast. We get this low pressure system that starts to develop off of the Pennsylvania coastline, and that, well, New Jersey coastline right near Pennsylvania. And that would cause a swath of snow on Thursday, and it persists for a lot of Thursday. Models coming into agreement somewhat on the persistence of a snow band over Pennsylvania and parts of the Northeast Wednesday into Thursday, and then again possibly into Friday. Right now, we're not sure of totals. We're not sure of exact timing, but it does look impactful Wednesday into Thursday, and it could be enough to plow and shovel. So here's up close Tuesday. Looks like a more rain shower focused day, scattered in nature. Wednesday, similar story, scattered, but this time it's an even mix of rain and snow. Thursday, once the cold air takes place, it could be all snow, and then it remains cold enough to support snow all the way through the weekend. And I do think there's a chance for it on Saturday into Sunday. Right now, again, it's too far out. If I were to give you an actual forecast, I'd be lying to you. So I got to make sure that you're prepared for what's to come. Wednesday and a Thursday, we're sure that there will be some sort of impactful system. We're just not sure on totals yet. We will get clearer details as the models become clearer and as our forecast data becomes clearer. And we'll be sure to keep you updated here on Newswatch 16.
Jeremy laying it all on the table for the week ahead. Thank you very much.
You got it.
Eagles